Hi guys, if you've watched the, 7 episodes I think of me converting this Mini Cooper to hobby grade radio control, you'll know that it had an annoying knocking noise as it was going along and I couldn't trace it. I did at one point say it looked like it had got a flat front tyre, there was a flat spot on it, but I didn't seem to think that was the problem. So I took apart the gearbox and checked all the suspension and that sort of thing, and I couldn't track it down. Well, I've just been running it backwards and forwards, slowly, watching that front left wheel, and it bounces up and down. So I think it is as simple as that. That tyre has got a flat spot on it, probably where it's been in storage for a long time and it's just flattened down. So I've put my action camera on there so we can actually watch it as we're going along. So we'll have a look at the footage. To be honest, I'm looking at it, it could just easily be this wheel. There is a fair bit of play in them, but that one has a flat spot just there. There. In fact, is that 2 flat spots? No, just the one. How about this one? And this one looks alright. I've tried putting little bits of foam in where the suspension does bang up against the bodywork. But that doesn't seem to make any difference. It still makes the knocking noise. I will just run it without the bodywork on it, because the bodywork seems to amplify the noise. that's confused things, guys. I was trying to get some good video of the front wheels and I've killed the ESC. Not totally unexpected, because that's only rated at a 2S and I've been running it with a 3S. So that's what you get. So I have a little break now. I've got other ESCs that will fit in there. But in the meantime, I'm going to have my midday snack, which happens to be scone with cream on it and jam. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.